behind the wheel of a pickup truck. Mud slanging, she's singing, country girl just doing her thing. And ain't nothing like my backwoods baby. Drive my tractor, drive me crazy. Likes hunting, loves fishing, she can hold her own in the kitchen. And by the way, boys, did I mention she's pretty as a field of daisies? She's sweeter than a watermelon wine, way hotter than that Alabama asphalt. When I get her, but I can't get her. Kinda like chicken and biscuits. But she'd rather wear cowboy boots, cut off jeans, and a baseball hat. Them city girls can't do it like that. Off the chain on a Friday night, dancing and drinking, ain't scared to fight. The Sunday morning come rolling round, singing in the choirs where she's found. Y'all are so proud, 'cause there ain't no doubt she's pretty as a field of daisies. She's sweeter than watermelon wine, way hotter than that Alabama asphalt. When I get her in these arms of mine, Lord have mercy, I love a kiss. I can't get enough. Kinda like chicken and biscuits. Alright, country girls, this song is all about you country girls. Cause y'all are like super women, y'all can do anything you want to do. So we're gonna sing these songs part right quick. I want y'all to sing it back for us. Tyler, you get them going. Come on. Let me hear you say, hey. Let me hear you say, oh. Let me hear you say, hey. Let me hear you say, oh. That's good. Country girl. Kinda like chicken and biscuits.